So having two intentions, which is to fast on fasting on Ashura and Friday. The issue of tadakhul niyat, to enter two intentions into each other, it's permissible as long as they are both voluntary, or one is voluntary and the other one is wajib. But you're not allowed to bring two wajibat together. Does that make sense? This is the strongest opinion. Meaning, the Prophet ﷺ, he sometimes used to pray. He used to pray, alayhi salatu wasalam, and he would also teach the companions how to pray. So how many intentions did he have? Two intentions. One was to pray. He was praying, alayhi salatu wasalam. And so he'd go onto the pulpit and he would actually be praying. And he would say to them, Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli. Pray the way that you see me pray. So he would show them how to pray. That was his intention. That's one intention. And the second intention was what? And he would be praying as well. So it's to teach and to pray. He had two intentions. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So it's permissible to have two intentions and to bring them together in this particular issue. So fasting on Thursdays and the fasting of what? The day of Ashura.